Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with the sketchbook. We're gonna have about 4 more sketchbook pieces until I'm back from my vacation, and then I'll be doing the larger pieces again. So today we will be painting a very simple bokeh cityscape. So I've sketched out the outline of the buildings in the background. There's going to be a bridge and a highway on the right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start by painting the sky. So I first painted an underpainting for the sky in orange yellow, and then I paint pale gray over it, and on the top I add a little bit more of coal gray. This is to allow a little bit of glow to shine through, and then we start with the first row of buildings. So how we're painting them, first I'm going to paint the outline of the buildings first. I'm mixing Prussian blue with just a little bit of moss black to get a very dark shade of blue, and then I drag the paint downwards, and towards the bottom of the first layer of buildings, or first tier of buildings, I paint it in sky blue. So I'm making these little brush strokes with the paintbrush. I'm dragging the paint up and down, and I continue to do this until I fill up the whole space, because there's going to be like 2 layers of buildings, so that's why we need to paint a little bit of blue on the bottom half of the first tier, so it's able to differentiate 2 sets of these buildings, and it creates a little bit more depth. And I also repeat the same thing for the second tier. I start by outlining the top of the buildings in moss black and Prussian blue, and then I drag the paint downwards, and then I fill up the remaining space in sky blue. So in front of these buildings, there's going to be like a bridge. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's going to be 2 blocks of this and a bridge connecting it. So I'm just going to paint this in Mars black. So it looked a little bit thin, so last minute I decided to thicken the bridge a little bit. Next is the water. We're going to start the first layer by painting this in Prussian blue, basically the darkest shade of blue, and then we're going to add a layer of sky blue mixed with titanium white and kind of like gradually lighten it. Then I just use the paintbrush to kind of blend and drag it out until it becomes smooth, and I want it to be lighter towards the middle and then darker towards the left. So next we're going to paint the highway on the right. So first I kind of separate the highway a little bit into separate lanes with moss black, and then in the middle I mix black with a little bit of blue, and then I continue to fill up the whole space. So once the paint has dried, I realized like the blue was a little bit too vibrant in the background, so I went back to touch it up a little bit, and I want to darken it. So I start from the top of the building and I drag black and dark blue downwards and just try to glaze over the blue so it becomes a little bit more subtle in the background. Once that is done, I want to blur out the city skyline a little bit, because this is going to be a bokeh piece and I want the lights to stand out, and also because we've painted a layer of orange yellow as the base for the sky earlier, I wanted a little bit of sunset glow to peek through the buildings. So I'm going to start by outlining the buildings in orange yellow, and then I'm going to blend it into the outline of the buildings, so that will help to soften the lines a little bit and you will get a somewhat more blurry effect. And then I continue to work on all the sharp lines below the second tier of the buildings. You can see this part I'm just blending blue with black, and I remove all the sharp corners, and for the bridge here as well, I blend it with the background and really just soften all the sharp lines. So if it's blue and black, so I mix the 2 colors together and I blend it in the middle until it kind of becomes one gradient, and I repeat the same for the highway. Once that's done, I want to add a little bit of reflections on the water, so I add a little bit of dark blue, and then now we're going to paint our first layer of bokeh lights. So I'm going to use orange yellow for the bridge, and then at the bottom of the row I'm going to scatter some in orange red and scarlet, and it's going to be a little bit more concentrated here on the road. Once we've mapped out the bokeh circles, we're going to also blur it out. This will act as the first layer of bokeh circles, and It looks a bit funny right now because everything's just darkened out, but by doing so, it'll really help to make the second layer of bokeh lights pop, and you'll also get to add a layer of depth to the lights. So for the second layer of bokeh lights, we're not going to paint it completely over what we have blurred out, but we're just going to scatter a few bokeh lights on top of what we have blurred out. So we're just going to sprinkle like 1 or 2, 3 or 4, but we're not going to cover all. We're going to allow a little bit of the ones that we blurred out earlier to peek out from behind. However, on this cluster of lights that we've painted on the road, we're going to fill this up with more lights because it's going to be like concentrated here. So we're going to start with orange, and then we're going to go lighter with orange yellow circles, and then on the top we're going to add yellow and titanium white circles, and that will really draw the attention to this cluster of bokeh here, which is supposed to represent the traffic. So once that is done, I just add a little bit more light here and there in red, and I think it is about finished. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.